Tony Gwynn was especially hard for one of our photographers, Mike Howder. For 20 years, he worked on the video system with Tony Gwynn that he made so famous, watching his swing. It's a science now. Baseball players use what Tony Gwynn helped create. As you might imagine, it was a very emotional morning this morning when Mike Howder packed up that equipment for the last time. Joe Little was along for the ride.
Mike Howder misses his friend.
12 years here, 12 years at San Diego State.
He was here because Tony Gwynn wanted him here.
It's hard because it's going to be my last time here.
Mike was there with the Padres when Tony hit 3,000.
What was it, 87 to 2001?
Mike was there because he helped Tony get that many hits.
For me, video is very important for what I do.
Together, they built the video system that helped Gwynn become a Hall of Fame hitter, spending thousands
175,000 maybe.
to watch Tony hit.
Well over 2,000 of his at-bats.
It revolutionized batting and teaching batting forever.
Now the baseball coach at San Diego State.
Tony asked Mike to join him at State in 2001 to set up the cameras for game day and practices.
Tony would sit here during practices and switch between these cameras.
It was an education through video, but now,
All right, well, let's put this stuff away.
Mike has to pack away the equipment. Knowledge gained over a 27-year friendship.
2002, 3, 4, 5.
Memories Mike recorded from multiple angles.
Okay, is that it? I think so.
Memories of his friend he'll treasure forever.
You know, for whatever reason, maybe God needed a number 2 hitter. And so he took him a lot sooner than we wanted.
Some great memories and obviously an even better friendship. Quite a memory for Mike Howder. Mike joined us back in 2003, but he continued to work with Tony Gwynn at San Diego State, developing that system for all the college baseball players. You can imagine what that meant.